Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you guys how I got my silk press, how I got it to have so much body, how I trimmed it, how I styled it, and so forth. Today is day 2 of me having my silk press. I forgot to cover my hair, but I did this really cute hairstyle that I love. It's given old school, it's given, I don't know, but I love it. This is going to be an updated video because I really just want to cut my hair. Like, there's so many other videos of me doing my silk press. I personally hate the neck length, okay? I know what you're thinking, make it grow longer. I don't want it to grow longer. I like when my hair is right here and it's just thick, full, and fluffy. So today I'm gonna attempt to cut my hair. I just shampooed and conditioned, did a nice little wash and a deep condition on my hair. If you have not seen my Cardi B deep conditioner video, then check that out. And please ignore my lashes because half of them are missing. All right, so to get started, I'm gonna be using my blow dryer. This is like my only and favorite one. I like to use this one, makes all the difference. It gets really hot also, even though you don't really want it to be super hot, but you want it to be hot enough. I just waxed my lip and it is burning right now. I'm gonna be using 2 products in my hair. It's the leave-in conditioner from Aveda and then the daily moisturizing treatment from Aveda as well. And then towards the end, I'll end up using this. Well, actually I'm gonna use a little bit now. And then I'm gonna actually use a powder brush to dry my hair. I feel like when I use anything smaller than this, it puts too much heat onto my hair and we're about to flat iron it. So you don't wanna go too crazy with the blow dryer. Like, you really just wanna make the hair dry so that you can get to step 2. All right. I really hate this length. I like when it's up here. It just, I don't know, it does something for me, it does something to me. It just, to me, I just feel like it looks better. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up to there. I can only do it when my hair is like already straightened. So I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten the majority of my hair. Well, most of my hair. Well, my entire head. And then I'm gonna go ahead and trim. So you're gonna want a rat tail comb. So with the silk press, the thinner the sections, the better the outcome, okay? That's how you get a really, really, really good silk press. Now, I usually get lazy once I get like from my hair and up, so try not to. But the thinner, the better. I'm gonna also use a heat protectant, if I can find it. This is the heat protectant that I'm gonna be using. And I don't really like to use this one really on my real hair because it is very oily, but I just spray a little bit. Like, when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. They do not put too much or you're gonna have like stringy looking hair. This is from EAP Heat. And then I have my red flat iron from EAP Heat as well. It was at $4.50. I just put it to $3.90 and then that do it. Let's get started. Now, I really went in and did section by section. I had to turn the fan on because it got so hot in here, but alright, beauties, so what I want to do is I want to blow dry my edges back. I always forget to do that when I'm blow drying, so hold on. So basically, if you cannot get to your edges, like with the flat iron, go ahead and do that because it just helps to just straighten it even more, as you can see. Alright, so now I want to go ahead and just trim. Actually, I want to cut it all off, but we're going to trim. Get you some good hair scissors. I really just want to take off 1 inch. Like, I want to take off, like, you know, you get, like, you have a plan, but you get a little bit nervous when it comes time to actually put the plan into effect. But I actually want to cut it to, like, right here. Alright? Ah! Am I ready for this? Alright, let's get started. end result. It looks really good, a lot of body, a lot of volume to it, but I really wanted to, so I didn't cut it as much as I said I was going to, but this will do. I really want, like, I hate this little short part right here. I wish this was either longer or this was either shorter, but I don't mind cutting this up to here, but I'm just gonna leave it. We're just gonna leave it for now. But yeah, that's how I trim my hair. I got rid of a lot of split ends as I was doing it, but there really is no method. I don't even know how to explain how I'm trimming my hair, because I know a lot of people are gonna say, like, you didn't show us. I don't really know how to explain it. I'm just kind of just I've been doing it for so long that I kind of just came up with my own little method. I don't know how to explain it, but fluffy.